What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. Now, I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I do have some on my channel, so do go check them out. But yeah, I decided to record one since usually when I trade, I just enter my position, leave it alone, and then check it at the end of the day. But today I was at home. I thought I'd film the actual trade itself. So here we're on GBP USD. I went long during late London session after we had quite a whipping morning when we took out both sides of the Asian range. So I'm just showing you my entry right now. Here I entered 3 times in the discount. So I entered once above this inversion fair value gap, which is the orange box which you see, and then another time here as we entered a fair value gap within the fair value gap, and then one more time as we traded down into that black level, that black line. Now that black line, I'll put a diagram up, is actually an order block from I think the 4 hour or the 1 hour. So as soon as I saw us trade away from it and trade down into the breaker there, I knew I could go long on the back of that. So price expanded quite nicely, as you can see, and this is where I decided to take my first partial. Now usually I take a partial earlier, I forgot, to be honest. So here we pay the trader, take the partial. Now it's so important to do this because obviously it removes risk, and that's all that this is. It's risk management, isn't it? Bearing in mind, guys, I was expecting price to trade in the other direction today. So this shows how, although I have one bias, you know, you can still be profitable. Because I saw how we delivered so quickly in the London session, I realized what was going on. But anyway, you can see I've moved my stop loss up where it says remove the risk, and I move it one more time higher. Again, this is the beauty of trading. As soon as you put the stop loss above your entry, you can relax. And then yeah, it delivered very nicely. I was very happy with it, and I hope you found this insightful. I will try and do some more of these, but like I said, when I trade, I'm not usually literally in the charts staring at them. But yeah, just beautiful delivery, and I'll be going through this tonight, so make sure to turn on post notifications, join the Discord, and if you want more insight, do join the membership and let me know what kind of content you want to see, because I'm happy to post more in-depth you know, trading entries like that. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.